You know our government gives prize of 10,000 to young innovators? Tried nurturing ideas with design thinking process? Call FunSmartism.
So we have to have some system through which we can nurture the idea. So some people may have some kind of idea in which they can take it ahead to entrepreneurship, or you can take it ahead to innovation, or any kind of business also, which right now may be a business, but then later on it can be turned into entrepreneurship. So anything and everything is possible if you have the tricks to nurture your idea. So now we have lots of people with us, like you all are pretty lucky that you all are getting mentoring from such people who are experienced into this field, and definitely they are going to give you much more information than I can give you. So I'll just tell you today. Yesterday we all were discussing, like 2-3 of us, we were discussing about innovation. That time also, that person who himself is an innovator, he said that my child could talk about some kind of problem solving, that when there is fire, what to do, why humans have to go to blow up the fire. Instead of that, we can send something to go there and put out that fire or something like that. So that time, that child was in the fourth class. Parents didn't know how to react, how to nurture their idea. So that time they didn't think of any kind of patent or anything. And now we get the ball, which you can just throw in the fire and you can do your work. So human loss is very less. So that kind of stuff keeps happening. Like many times it happens that whenever we see other ideas, that time we realize, oh, हमने भी तो ये सोचा था, लेकिन उसके बारे में आगे solution नहीं देखा. So today we have